Hello guys again. Today we have a new unboxing. This is from Lidl. It cost 15 euros and this is the Parkside electric nails tumbler model PHET 15B1, including some nails inside. Okay, here we have some specs. Beautiful. Here we have some DIY projects here. And let's see what we have inside. Okay, inside we're going to find the manual. Next we have some accessories, some nails of course. And here is the electric nails tumbler. Okay, here is the cartridge that you put some nails. Lock it. We have a unlock and lock mechanism. And now I think it's time to see how it works. Unlock it. And refill. Lock it. You have 3 meters of cable, of course. We have a 3 years warranty from Lidl. For this I have this lovely wood to use. Now it's okay. And let's try it. Here it is. I think it's very powerful. Well, you get the idea how it works. And that's all guys. That was my video for this electric nails tumbler. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, it's your choice. And please hit the notification bell because more videos are coming in the future and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.